How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Hi guys, today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can recover deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. In order to recover your deleted messages on Messenger, first of all, update your application. Now there are different ways of recovering your deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. In order to do this procedure, you must have already enabled some of the feature. Now for example, first method is using the archive feature. Now if you've already archived the chats, then it's going to be stored on your archive folder. But if you have not added the chat to your archive folder, then you'll not be able to find it. Now for example, let's say that if you've added the chat to an archive folder, then you need to tap on the tab bar icon from the top right hand side. After that, you can see the menu page, and right over here you can see archive folders. Right over here you'll be able to follow the chat that you have saved on your archive folder. Now if you have not saved it, then it's not going to be recovered. Apart from it, you can also directly contact the Facebook support team. So for that, what you need to do is go to your Facebook application or log in into your account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, go to the tab bar icon from the top right hand side, tap on the gear icon underneath, and after that you'll need to scroll down a bit and you'll need to go ahead and select for download your information, which is right over here. So click on continue button, and after that it's going to ask you to select or request download. Tap on the request download button, select the account that you wish to do it for, and tap on the next button. Once you've done that, you need to select whether you want a complete copy or if you want selected types of information. I'm going to go with complete copy. After that, it's going to direct you to the other page. You'll need to submit the request, so it's going to take 24 hours maximum, and all you have to do is wait patiently till then. So this is one of the method. If you have not deleted any of the chats, then what you can do is there's a simple method on how you can do it. Just head back to your Messenger application. After that, go to chats, and right over here you can also use the search bar too, and after that you can just find the contact, and here you go, you'll be able to find the chat history. Now these were some of the method on how you can recover your deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.